Ever been deep in the woods, rain hammering down, and realized your blade is the only thing standing between you and a cold night? Today, we're cutting through the noise with 20 military tactical knives you can actually trust, all available on Amazon. If you live for gear that works as hard as you do, hit subscribe to Trek Gear, where real steel meets real survival. Kershaw Clash Black Serrated Pocket Knife. When every second counts, the Kershaw Clash is the knife that never hesitates. Its spring-assisted opening deploys fast with one hand, giving you a solid grip even when conditions get rough. The partially serrated 8CR13 B.O.B. blade handles both slicing and tougher materials, rope, webbing, and even small branches. And that molded handle with finger grooves? It locks into your palm like it was built for your hand alone. For soldiers, campers, or anyone building an EDC kit that's ready on command, the Clash strikes the perfect balance between tactical readiness and everyday utility. Benchmade Bugout 535 EDC knife, lightweight, sleek, and trusted in every corner of the world. The Benchmade Bugout 535 isn't just an EDC, it's a legend. Built with CPM S30 WE premium steel and Benchmade's Axis lock, this knife delivers controlled precision without extra weight. It's the one you reach for when ounces matter, and reliability can't be questioned. Picture yourself on a long trail mission. The Bugout disappears in your pocket until it's needed, then performs like a full-size tactical blade. Kershaw Secret Agent. For those who prefer their blade with a hint of mystery, the Kershaw Secret Agent speaks in silence. It's covert, compact, and lethal in function, with a black oxide-coated stainless steel blade that resists corrosion and reduces reflection. Its dual carry sheath lets you mount it on your boot or belt. Quick draw, zero delay. This isn't just a knife, it's a mission-ready companion for anyone who values speed, control, and discretion. Simple, tactical, purpose-built. Spyderco Resilience Folding Pocket Knife. When size meets precision, you get the Spyderco Resilience, a folding blade designed for those who trust their knife in the field as much as a fixed blade. Its full, flat-ground 8CR13 MOE steel blade offers a razor edge that glides through rope, paracord, and meal prep with equal ease. The signature Spyderco thumb hole gives smooth one-hand opening, while the G10 handle scales deliver a grip that stays locked even when your hands are wet or gloved. Picture late-night camp setup. Rain hitting hard, this knife doesn't flinch. A tactical folder that proves resilience isn't just a name, it's a mission. Benchmade 940 Osborne. There are knives you carry and knives you never leave behind. The Benchmade 940 Osborne has earned that reputation through sheer craftsmanship and field reliability. Its reverse Tanto blade shape and CPM S30 WE steel bring controlled power and refined precision. The Axis lock mechanism makes deployment effortless, while the green anodized aluminum handle keeps it light but unshakably solid. From backcountry treks to everyday carry, the 940 Osborne cuts like a gentleman's blade built for warriors, classy, compact, and combat capable. Hogue EX-F01. Now, if you prefer your knife built like a tank, meet the Hogue EX-F01, a full Tang fixed blade forged from A2 tool steel. This knife was designed with military operators in mind. Its tactical sheath mounts anywhere, vest, belt, or pack, and the machined G10 handle gives unbeatable control during heavy work. Think breaching, batoning, or survival defense, the EX-F01 doesn't back down. It's the kind of knife that earns scars right alongside you and still keeps cutting. A field-tested powerhouse that defines tactical durability done right. Zero tolerance. 452 CF. When precision engineering meets raw performance, you get the zero tolerance. 452 CF. A blade that feels like it was machined straight from the future. This knife blends carbon fiber on the front, titanium on the back, and a DLC coated S35 WEN steel blade that's razor sharp and ready for hard use. The KVT ball bearing system ensures lightning fast, glass smooth deployment with just a flick. Imagine being on recon or out in the wild. You need a blade that's light, discreet, yet powerful enough for any task. The 452 CF delivers on all fronts, sleek, balanced, and purpose-built for those who demand absolute precision. BPS, Knives Adventurer, Bushcraft Knife. For the hands that build shelters, carve tools, and start fires, the BPS Adventurer is the blade that never quits. Handcrafted in Ukraine, it's a full Tang 1066 carbon steel knife with a traditional Scandi grind that bites deep into wood. The walnut handle gives it a natural grip and warmth, even in freezing weather. It comes with a leather sheath and fire starter, turning this knife into a complete bushcraft kit. Whether you're carving notches, dressing game, or sparking tinder, the Adventurer earns its name one cut at a time. Pure function, no gimmicks, 100% field reliability. Morakniv Basic 511. Sometimes simplicity is the secret. The Morakniv Basic 511 has been the entry-level companion for countless outdoorsmen, soldiers, and craftsmen around the world. Its carbon steel blade sharpens easily in the field, while the rubberized handle gives a sure, non-slip grip. Lightweight, yet strong enough for carving, food prep, and general camp work. It's the knife you toss in your pack and forget until it saves the day. Reliable, affordable, field-proven. It's a reminder that not every tactical tool needs flash, just flawless function. CRKT Bugsy knife. Born from the backcountry and built for real-world survival, the CRKT Bugsy is everything a modern outdoorsman could ask for. Designed by military veteran Austin McGlone, this knife packs a 4.25-inch full Tang SK 5 carbon steel blade ready for punishment. The micarta handle scales stay grippy even when wet, and the leather sheath adds that rugged, timeless look. From processing firewood to field dressing game, the Bugsy's geometry makes it a powerhouse in tight quarters. It's a knife that feels like an extension of your hand, dependable, honest, and ready for a lifetime of hard use. Morakniv Kansbol fixed blade knife. If there's a single blade that defines do it all, it's the Morakniv Kansbol. This Swedish-built knife combines lightweight field agility with the toughness of a survival-grade edge. Its 12C27 stainless steel blade keeps its sharpness through brutal conditions, while the Scandi grind makes sharpening in the field almost effortless. Whether you're slicing food, carving steaks, or shaving tinder, the Kansbol just works clean, consistent, and confident. Pair it with the multi-mount sheath system, and it's ready for your belt, pack, or tactical rig. A modern, classic, simple, durable, and perfectly balanced cold steel fin hawk. Sometimes the best tools come from old school thinking done right. The cold steel fin hawk is a nod to traditional Nordic design, but built with cold steel's signature toughness. Its German 4116 stainless blade offers surprising bite for its size, and the high friction TPE handle keeps your grip locked even in cold, wet environments. Lightweight enough to wear all day, yet tough enough to baton small logs, the fin hawk is a minimalist's dream knife. Affordable, practical, and born for bushcraft simplicity. Tops, knives, missile strike, full Tang, fixed blade. When overbuilt is actually the point, the Tops missile strike shows up ready to work. This full Tang beast was designed for extreme use. The thick blade geometry and stout spine mean it will baton, chop, and pry without whining. Its textured handle fills the hand for sustained heavy use, and the sheath system keeps it carried securely on any kit. Picture an emergency shelter build after a storm. The missile strike makes short work of wet wood and stubborn branches. It's not delicate or precious. It's a tool you can trust to be violent when the task calls for it, and dependable when you need precision. Crescent Harpoon Blade Composite Pocketknife. Unique shape, ruthless utility. The Crescent Harpoon blends maritime heritage with modern materials. That hooked profile keeps meat, rope, and line from slipping while you work, and its composite handle makes it light, grippy, and corrosion-resistant. Compact enough for daily carry, but shaped for specific tasks where control matters: boarding work, cutting nets, or haul line management. Imagine working on a raft or trimming lines on a rainy morning. The Harpoon's point and belly give instant purchase and control where a straight blade might fail. SOGTAC XR, professional folding knife. If mission versatility had a pocket-sized badge, the SOGTAC XR would wear it. Built for tactical operators who need modularity, the TAC XR offers a robust blade profile with both utility and defensive geometry. Features like compound grinds, an ambidextrous thumb stud, and a hard-wearing handle make it a go-to when you need something that adapts. On a patrol or during quick response calls, its deployment is reliable and its ergonomics let you fight through fatigue. It's the kind of folder that sits between EDC, practicality, and tactical readiness professional grade without theatrical flair. Benchmade 290BK, full immunity. Compact doesn't mean compromised. The Benchmade Full Immunity is proof that small can still hit hard. This sub 3-inch blade carries CPM, M4 premium steel, and Benchmade's famous Axis lock, giving it smooth, confident deployment with a reassuring click. Built for law enforcement and close quarters work, it offers controlled strength in a form that stays pocket legal almost everywhere. Think of it as your urban backup light, discreet and fast on the draw. Whether you're cutting cord, opening gear, or managing an emergency cut, the Full Immunity delivers tactical reliability without bulk. BeaverCraft BSH3 Bushcraft knife. From the heart of traditional craftsmanship comes the BeaverCraft BSH3, a handmade bushcraft tool that feels old world but performs modern. Its high carbon steel blade sharpens easily on river stones, while the ashwood handle molds naturally to your grip. The knife comes paired with a sturdy leather sheath, making it camp ready right out of the box. Imagine carving traps, feathering sticks, or skinning small game at dusk. The BSH3 feels like a trusted companion, not just a tool. It's that blend of simplicity and soul that reminds you why some blades belong in your pack forever. Tops Knives, brothers of bushcraft, B.O.B. A true icon in the survival community, the Tops B.O.B. is built to handle the toughest backcountry missions. This 1095 carbon steel full tang knife features a modified Scandi grind for maximum bite on wood, bone, and cord. The micarta handle is contoured for all-day control, and the multi-purpose sheath comes with a fire starter rod ready to spark campfires in seconds. From carving shelters to processing kindling or light defensive tasks, the B.O.B. is pure reliability. Every inch of it was designed by outdoorsmen who live by their gear, and it shows. Benchmade Adamas. When you need muscle with a measured hand, the Benchmade Adamas answers the call. This is a knife designed to take punishment and keep working thick spine, stout geometry, and a grip that refuses to slip when things get ugly. Engineered for heavy-duty roles, the Adamas delivers confident control for breaching, cutting, and hard field chores, while still remaining comfortable enough for sustained use. It's not a showpiece, it's a tool for professionals who demand a blade that performs under stress and won't let them down when stakes are high. If your mission profile includes trauma, entry, or overbuilt survival tasks, the Adamas is the kind of knife you want on your belt when everything else has already been sorted. Tops Knives L. Chete. Closing the list with a blade that looks like it was forged for the end of the world, meet the Tops L. Chete. Massive, aggressive, and unapologetically purposeful, this full Tang monster brings brutal chopping power and surgical control when you need it. The bevel and profile favor heavy work, breaking down thick wood, forced entries, and the sort of tasks that would make lesser knives fold. Yet, despite its size, the L. Chete still offers surprising balance and confident handling, thanks to a thoughtfully shaped handle and rock-solid construction. This is the last resort tool, the one you reach for when the mission demands absolute reliability and raw force. If you want the ultimate heavy hitter to finish your pack, the L. Chete closes this list with authority. Which knife would you trust to get you out of a bad night? Drop your pick in the comments and tell us why. The most popular suggestion might get a full review and field test in an upcoming Trek Gear video. If you liked this lineup and want deeper breakdowns, blade steel comparisons, sheath choices, or pocket carry versus fixed blade rig, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and give this video a thumbs up. For neat hacks, maintenance tips, and real-world abuse tests, Trek Gear is your stop for honest, no-nonsense gear talk. Ever been deep in the woods, rain hammering down, and realized your blade is the only thing standing between you and a cold night? Today, we're cutting through the noise with 20 military tactical knives you can actually trust, all available on Amazon. If you live for gear that works as hard as you do, hit subscribe to Trek Gear, where real steel meets real survival.